Our screens glow bright, typing dreams through the night. Brackets, loops, and endless flow. In this code, the world will grow. Lines of light across the screen, building futures, chasing dreams. From dusk till dawn, we make it right. We are coders shining bright. Errors rise, but we won't stop. Every bug makes us unlock. Logic sharp, our hearts aligned, creating worlds inside the mind. Lines of light across the screen, building futures, chasing dreams. From dusk till dawn, we make it right. We are coders shining bright. The silence keys will sing, turning thoughts to everything. From simple code to grand design, we write the future line by line. Lines of light across the screen, building futures, chasing dreams. From dusk till dawn, we make it right. We are coders shining bright.